Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic television with a model number either TC-55 or 65 FZ950. I'll put those two model numbers in the description, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now, you can do this either via the setup menu or via the physical buttons if you don't have access to the setup menu. I'll talk about how to do both of them in a second. But first of all, there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your TV is not working, if it's not connecting, the screen won't come on, anything like that, if it's frozen, this will fix a lot of these issues. Now, the second reason is if you just want to get this set up as a new TV for whatever reason, we can wipe everything off of it. If you've got access to the screen and the menu and everything, it's real easy. You just hit the menu button on the remote, and then you're going to select Setup, then System, then Factory Default. Setup, System, Factory Default, then just confirm it with a yes, and it will restore to its factory default settings. If you need to do it via the buttons, the TV does need to be able to turn on, but you don't need the screen. We're going to find the volume down button on the back of the TV and the menu button on the remote control, which is just below the power button. And with the TV on, we're going to simultaneously hit both of those hold both of those buttons, volume down on TV, menu button on controller, for more than 5 seconds. After that, at least 5 seconds has passed, we can just go ahead and unplug the TV, then release those buttons. Wait a few seconds, plug the TV back in, turn it back on, and it will automatically start up in its factory defaults in that startup setup menu.